Hi everybody, I want to talk about data logging. Data logging is the one thing that people overlook in this industry. Data logging is important and it's vital for you to understand your production runs, your waste levels and your quality. With HHS you can always ensure that you understand fully what your machines and what your systems are producing, good cartons and bad cartons, and your production levels. With our systems you can data log and store all the information from your production runs. This will ensure that you understand exactly where your waste levels have gone, what good cartons you've produced and what your operator's achieving in a performance environment.